Yep, continue. Go to the latest one. You're supposed to show me the one you have drawn the triangles, and the ones you have drawn the heights for all those triangles.
Yeah, it's this one.
No, you're supposed to show me the heights for the triangles first.
The height is
This is the bad one. I'm asking you to redraw. Okay, this one looks better. Okay, so start off with the first. Okay, you look at your first one. Okay, please move your cursor to the first one. Okay, so one comment. I need you to draw a much better triangles. At least something like this. Okay, at least something like this. Okay, I cannot accept your this triangles which has not straight lines. Okay, I cannot accept that. Can you get rid of the blue? All right. Go back. Yep. So this one is much better. Okay, compared to the previous PDF you sent me. All right. Move down. Okay. So for next time, if you are asked to draw the heights of the triangle, I expect your triangle to be at least double the size of right now. Okay, you just go to the last triangle. Okay, so your cursor, I want next time if I ask you to draw the heights for the triangles, right, I want the triangle to be at least double this size. That means you need to draw another triangle which is double the size of the one I give you.
okay.
Okay, the problem with this is, okay, right now the triangle is too small, and then that's why when you draw the height it's not as clear. Okay, so imagine your triangles is double the size of the size now. All right, so no, but okay, okay, it's all right. Actually, you can tell your mom. Okay, let your mom know. This video is recorded. Okay, so I think it's also okay if you take your earpiece when you are talking with me during the lesson. Okay, because since
Okay.
our video is recorded, so that means if your mom wants to listen to our lesson, your mom can actually listen to our recorded video. Okay, so I will say, I think for our lesson, right, it's okay for you to use your earpiece. Okay, but for your other works, right, I think you can choose not to use your earpiece. Okay, you get my point?
Yeah.
What did I say?
Usually it's okay
Yep.
to wear the ear,
Uh-huh.
but then for other work, can like don't wear.
Why you are allowed? I mean, why I suggest you to wear a earpiece, because our lesson is recorded, so it means whatever your mom wants to listen, your mom can go ahead and listen to our recorded video. Okay, so never mind. So back to the topics today. So the topic today is what you need to do next time if you are asked to draw the heights of triangles. At least make the triangle double the size of this. Okay.
Okay.
So that the heights that you draw is more clear. Okay, now go to the other PDF. So I'm okay with your this work. The first one. Yep, good. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Okay, question one, it says so first you find out the sum. Okay, you point your cursor there. You point your cursor to question one first. Okay, so what you do is basically you just find out the total first, right? And then after that you divide by 3. to get the average. Am I right?
Yeah.
So 1.67 is the average. Okay. The unit there is meter, right? For question 1.
What?
The unit is meter, right?
Yes, meter.
Okay, good. So next, so you use the times to find out the total, and then you use the total and minus each of them to get the $2.1, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, so 2 ways to find the total. One of them is plus. Then the other one is? Very good. Okay, so question 1 and question 2, you have used 2 different methods. Okay, very good. So question 3, how do you find the total?
Time.
Very good. Once you times, then after that you have the total and then you minus the individual. So very good. So that means I start to see you have a great improvement in solving average questions. Okay, so this is something very, very encouraging, okay, for both of us. Okay, next, question 4. Question 4 is you are asked to find the height. Okay, so you start off with 12 is equal to half times base times height. Very good, which is your formula. And then in order to find your h is 4. Hey, by the way, you look at your answer. The answer is 4 cm. Is it the square or cube? Yeah, you point your cursor to 4 cm square cube. So is it a what's the number beside your cm?
Not 3.
So when did we use cm to the power of 3? When? So what is supposed to be the answer, by the way? For height.
Cm square.
Square? Okay, so first thing first.
Wait, cm.
Okay, so cm is for what? So the unit cm is for?
Unit cm is for like the 4 cm.
Yeah, so 4 cm. Why cm? I mean, just now you say why cm is the unit here in this case.
Cm square is the square.
Cm square is for what?
The square.
No, of course cm square is cm square, but cm square is for what? Cm square is to find what?
Height.
Huh? Okay, wait. Your this 4 is okay. What is the value? Okay. Wait. Okay, explain to me the third step. 3 times h is 12. Then what is your last step? Your last step, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So your this 4 is what? What is the 4 here?
What is the height?
Then if 4 is the height, then how come? Then if 4 is the height here, so what is the unit for height? Your height. What's your height? Tell me what's your height.
It is 4.
What's the unit for height? I'm not asking for value. Okay, what's the unit for height?
Yeah.
Okay, if cm is for height, then what is the unit for area?
Area is cm square.
Again?
Cm square.
Very good. Then what is this cm cube? So this is cm to the power of 3. Where do you learn this from? Cm cube. Or who asked you to write cm cube? Did we learn cm cube before?
I don't think so.
Then how come you? I mean, we have not learned it, and then you can create something out of nothing. Then next time you will write what? Cm to the power of 4, is it? Will you write cm to the power of -1 next time?
No.
Then we have not learned it. Then who? Okay. By the way, can you tell me who taught you to write cm to the power of 3? Okay. Once again, what is the unit for height?
cm.
What's the unit for area?
Cm square.
Yeah. Repeat these two sentences.
Height is cm.
Mm-hmm.
Area is cm square.
Okay. Memorize it. Okay. So next question. The next question you are asked to find what? The base, right?
Yeah.
So how do you find the base? Let me see. 6 times the base is and you see your second step start to be a bit your second step is a bit what? Your second step is a bit oi. Can you see? Your second step is very unclean.
Yeah, because I wrote the wrong thing.
First thing is unclean. That's why you make mistake. Okay. What is your second step? You read your second step.
Half times base times 2.
Half times base times 2. Okay. So can I ask, half times 2 is how much?
One.
And how come I see a 6? Can you see a 6 there?
No.
The third step. So okay, the second step is half times base times 2, right? Then how come your third step is 6 times b? I thought it should be 1 times b. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Where do you get your 6 from? Third step. And then similarly, you go to your okay, never mind. Let me.
Wait, I think I took the half times the 12.
Half times 12. How do you get half times 12? Oh yeah, you make similar mistakes. Okay, question 4. Once again, you anyhow do questions already. Now I notice. Okay, never mind. Let me grab something from this and let me share. Okay, stop sharing first. Let me share. Your formula is correct. Your step 1 is correct, but the rest is wrong. Can you see what I'm sharing now? Not yet. Okay, good.
Not yet.
Can you see what I'm sharing now?
No. Oh wait, yeah.
Okay, good.
Space.
Okay. That means I start to see your big problem here. There is a big problem here. Your step 1, okay, you follow what I taught you. This is step 1, which is correct. I'm talking about question 4. Are you following?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the step 2 is what you do is I see you change to this. Okay, this is your step 2, which is still correct. Step 3.
Yeah.
Step 3. What is your step 3? What is supposed to be a step 3? Tell me what to do. Tell me what you're supposed to write here for step 3.
The actual number is 2.
Why 2?
Half times.
Very good. So that means you do for this. So it's 2. And then the rest, what you do?
2 times height. 2 times height, yeah.
And then
equals 12.
Okay, and then what's your final step? So you should write your h in front, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so half, so it should be 6.
6.
So what's the unit?
cm.
Then can I ask you, where do you get your 3? Similarly,
I took
okay,
half.
half times the 12. I mean, who taught you? Who taught you half times 12 from this step? Who taught you half times 12? I mean, I'm talking about question 4, okay? So similarly for question 5, your step 1 is what? This is question 5, step 1. I'm actually copying your answer only. And then what you do next is half times base. The height is what? The height is 2 in this case. What you do next? Hello, what do you know? What you do next? What you are supposed to do next?
The half times the
Which is
1.
And then the rest?
Then times base.
Then what is all this? What is all this? So similarly, next. Question 6. Right? Then you write this.
Yeah.
So what is the next step? Hello, what's the next step?
Then half times 6.
Then what's the next step?
3. Then 12 divided by 3.
Where's your H?
Which is in front.
Then can you tell me what is all this? Okay? Your first 2 steps is always right. But other than that, wrong. 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 Why? Who taught you the 3rd step? Jermaine, one more time. Okay? One more time, I'm warning you. If you give me this kind of work, if I start to see all this rubbish, what I need you to do? Everything cross. Write it clear on another piece of paper or somewhere here. I will not accept this kind of work anymore. No more such work. Okay? You are making me piss off. I don't accept this kind of work. If you ever make a mistake, what you need to do? Redo the entire thing. Are you clear? Are you clear? Okay? That's your number 1 requirement. I have never, okay, I see many things once again. I have never taught you cm to the power of 3 and you give me cm to the power of 3. Okay? I never, so clearly, so I'm talking about question 4 here. Okay? Look at question 4. So you are supposed to give half times 4. That will give you 2, right? Alright? I don't know how you get your 3. Seriously, I don't know how you get your 3 here. Can you see your 3 here? I don't know. So I have never taught you things and you go and use your own method. Who taught you this method? Who taught you this? Who taught you the step 3? Let me highlight all for you to see. Who taught you this? Okay? And who taught you this? And by the way, this question is too untidy for me to even see what is happening. This entire thing is so unclear. Okay? Then can you ask me who taught you this cm to the power of 3? Did you even think when you do this question?
Yeah.
Then how come cm3? Who? Who taught you cm3? Are you going to write me cmx next time? Are you going to write me cm to the power of 1 next time? Are you? Then can you stop using your method? Can you stop what we have not learned? Can you?
Yeah.
Then how come you give me CM3? Okay, who wrote this? Who wrote this homework, by the way? Is it you?
I did the thing.
Then who wrote this thing? Who wrote all this? Who wrote? Is it you or somebody else?
I wrote it.
If you wrote that, then who taught you this CM3, which we have not covered at all? You know, you make me speechless. Something we have not learned, but somehow you just wrote it down. Are you going to give me? Are you going to give me like e to the power of cm next time? Are you going to give me this? Are you?
Mm.
Then how come I start to see all this CM3? Okay. So I have not taught you CM3. You show me CM3. Okay. And over here is so unclear. I don't know what you are writing. Okay. And then so for this half times 4 times h is equal to 12. So half times 4 obviously give you 2. I don't know how you get 3. Can you see your 3 here? I don't know how you get your 3. I did not teach you that. Okay. I don't know who taught you. Okay. So many times you still, this is our third lesson on triangle, and you are still using methods that I have never taught you. Units that I never taught you. CM3, I have never taught you CM3. Okay. And I have never, I taught you to do the half times 4 equals to 2 first, but somehow you go and use 12 divided by 4. I never taught you that. Okay. Similarly here, I taught you half times 6 that give you 3 first. Okay. I don't know what you get. Okay. And then similarly here, half times 2, that should give you 1. And I don't know why you get your this. I don't know what you get your 6. It's ridiculous. Beyond my belief. So who basically do you, okay, can I ask you, do you know why you cannot score or not? Can you answer me why you cannot score?
The method.
No, why you cannot score in math? What's the problem with you? Why you cannot score in math?
The method I use is wrong.
The method you use is wrong. Who taught you all those methods? So if okay, you realize you cannot score because the method you use, they are all wrong. Then can I ask you, who taught you all those wrong methods? Who? Can you answer me? Who taught you all those wrong methods? No one. So if no one taught you the wrong methods, then what? I am just so puzzled. Why you keep using the no one? I mean, why you keep using something no one taught you? Why? Why you can't just use the method I taught you? Why? Why? And by the way, if okay, what did I tell you? When you do this question, when you do all this question, what did I ask you to do? I asked you to watch the video and then what? Follow the video and do the question at the same time, right? We have more than enough examples, okay, for you to do your assignment together with the video. So let's assume you are doing this question. Okay. So what you should do is do this question at the same time, watch a video on this question, and then just follow step by step. but somehow you give me 4 cm cube. In fact, when you look at the video, there is no way you will get cm cube, because no way there is no cm cube at all in our videos. So what's wrong with you, cm cube? Hello. You have to answer me. Where do you get your cm cube? Because if you follow my advice, watch the video, do the question, no way you will get cm cube. Even if you see cm cube, right, you should correct it yourself, because my video never even touch cm cube. That is your number one problem today. Number two problem, okay, it's still very unclear here, especially this, okay. And if you watch my video, you will clearly see you are supposed to do half times 4 first, and then you will get 2. Alright? And then you use 12 divided by 8. Okay? Similarly, for this question 5, what you're supposed to do is half times 2 first, and then you will get your 1. Then only use your 12 divided by 1. If you watch my video and do the question, did you watch the video and do the question at the same time?
I watched the video. Then I did the question. And after that, when I didn't know how to do a question.
Wait, you didn't know?
I didn't see the video.
4, 5, 6, and then?
If I did not understand the question.
Then if you watch my video, there's no way you will get cm cube. No way. There's no way you will get cm to the power of 3. Because we have never touched cm cube before. You know, sometimes I realize you might be possessed by some ghost, you know. Because you are not you. Basically, you're just not you. You are basically just, you are somebody else. Which I never thought at all. Are you somebody else? Are you possessed? You know, it's pretty scary, you know. Can you stop all this craziness? It's quite crazy. Don't you realize it's crazy? Like, I have never taught you cm cube, but you wrote cm cube. Okay? And I taught you to use half times 4 is equal to 2 first, and 12 divided by 2. But what you did, you go and use 12 divided by 4 first. Isn't it crazy? I never taught you, but somehow you went ahead and do it your way. You know what I mean? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you stop this craziness?
Yes.
Can you stop craziness? Okay, next.
Yeah.
Yep, share your screen. I want to move on to the next question. So average, you are good. Triangle, you are not good. You are still doing craziness. Okay, craziness like you give me cm cube, and then craziness like you anyhow do calculation. Okay, start sharing. Next part of the question. So make sure you correct your craziness in your next assignment for triangles. If you don't know what to do, watch the video and then do the question. Okay, good. So look at this question. Okay, what is there something wrong with question 7? Yes or no? Why no? or why yes?
Because they're asking for area.
Very good. Okay, at least you know that you did not make mistake for this question. Okay, but I think the unit is still wrong. I don't know, is the unit 3? I mean cm3? Is it cm3 there? Hello, is it cm3 there? 10 cm3?
Looks like 3.
So is it correct or wrong? Hey, what's the unit for area? Come on.
Area cm.
Then is it correct or wrong?
Check it.
No need to check what? What's the unit for area once again? So what do you write?
Cm 3, I think.
Uh-huh. You don't need to think. From far away, I mean, I'm just looking at your screen. I already see cm3. I don't know why you need to check. Check what? What to check? You can actually look at all your units for all the questions. You are writing what? cm3. What is there to check? All the unit is all wrong. What is there to check? And some more, if you see cm3 is definitely wrong already. What? I don't understand why you still need to check. First thing first, we have never talked about cm3, and then you write cm3. I don't even need to ask you, you already should know cm3 is definitely wrong. Why cm3 is wrong? Have we learned cm3?
No.
If we have not learned it and then you write cm3, does it make sense?
No.
That means if somehow you write French in your English paper essay, do you think you will score? Why? It's English paper. You are not supposed to write French. You're not supposed to write Chinese. Same thing here. We have not learned cm3. When you write cm3, it's totally insane. Alright? Okay? Okay, next question. Okay, area. So what do you see? What do you see in this question?
Triangle.
Well, how do you find a triangle?
Half time base.
How many triangles you see?
4.
If you see 4, then how come you just 3 plus? Eh? Wait. So, wait, what's your step 1? What's your step 1?
I draw up the triangle.
Can you speak clearly?
Draw up the triangle.
Uh-huh. And then? I asked you for step 1 and then you are telling me step 1 and step 2. Are you even listening? What you did for your step 1. I just asked you what you did for your step 1.
Draw the triangle.
And then?
And then wrote down the formula.
And then? Just tell me what you have written. That's all. I'm asking you to. And then?
Half time base and pi for the formula.
So what is the 3 there for? I see your answer for first step is equals to 3. What is the 3 for?
I want when I use the half and the...
I ask you, I know you use half times base times height. I'm asking you, what is the 3?
The answer for the triangle.
Answer for the triangle? The 3 is the what?
3 is the area.
Area of?
Triangle.
How many?
The
Wait, so you are saying one triangle is 3 or 4 triangle is 3?
One triangle is 3.
Very good. One triangle is 3, ah? Okay. Now, what is your 9?
9, the area of the square.
Very good. So you take 3 times 9. Who teach you 3 times 9? Is it 3 times 9 there? Hello, I'm asking you a question. No, I'm asking you. I'm asking you if you have written down 3 times 9.
I use 3 times 9.
So who teach you 3 times 9? Or why you 3 times 9?
I use only one triangle.
Pardon?
I use only one triangle.
You use what?
I use only one triangle.
No, I don't. Okay, answer me. What you are supposed to do then?
Supposed to take 3 times first because there are 4 triangles.
And then?
Then you can answer 12.
And then?
Then you take 12. 9.
Okay, from now onwards, I want you to speak clearly. You start to, okay, you either sit properly, okay, be in front of the camera, okay. I don't want you to move front and back, okay. I don't want you to move back and forth, okay. I don't want you to like go up and down, okay. Can you sit properly and then speak clearly? Okay, once again, what you are supposed to do?
We're supposed to take 3 times 4 because there are 4 triangles.
And then
Then you will get answer 12.
continue if you haven't finished.
Then the area of the square is 9. So you take 9 times the 12.
9 times the 12. Are you supposed to wait? So what did we learn in our last lesson? How do we find the total area of the figure? What is the final step? Times? Is it times for the final step? Find the total.
So it's plus.
Then how come you said 12 times 9 just now? Did you even think? Did you even think? That's why. Okay, so once again, nobody taught you to times. And then, you see, you stop to like take off your glasses. What did I ask you to do? I asked you to sit up straight. I asked you don't move front and back. I asked you not to like fidget, like keep doing all this. You know what's a fidget, right? Fidget means you touch your face, take off your glass, put on your glass again. So what is your final step to find total area?
12 plus 9.
Then why did you tell me times? Who taught you times? And then by the way, what is the unit? You didn't write the unit at all. How come sometimes you write unit, and by the way, the unit you wrote just now is CM3, which never taught. How come sometimes you write CM3, sometimes no unit at all? So what you want me to do? What you want yourself to do? So are you telling me sometimes you eat, sometimes you don't? Are you telling me sometimes you sleep, sometimes you don't sleep? Like today you sleep, but tomorrow you don't sleep?
No.
Then? So what's the final step to find total area?
Plus.
Right? Okay, move down. Next question. 9. Okay, question 9. So what you're supposed to do? What is wrong and what is not wrong about 9? You look at your own work, question 9.
The triangle formula.
How many triangles you see?
2.
2. How come I only see one triangle, which is 3? I never see you take 3 times 2. How come? Okay, because you have 2 triangles, right? You're saying?
Yeah.
Then how come I only see one triangle? Can you see your first step? That is for one triangle, right?
You see the bottom here.
But the bottom, how come you times? Who teach you to times? Okay, times is not right. Okay, good. Can I ask you second step? You use L times B. Okay, the last one, the semicircle. Can I ask you draw the semicircle, but you write half what? Half circle, right? And then PER. What's that?
PER.
Yeah. So how come I see half circle peri? What is that?
Circle perimeter.
Wait. This question we want to find what?
The half circle.
We want to find the what?
Half circle.
Half circle what? What we need to find in this question?
The area.
Area. So half dot peri. What is peri? I don't know what is peri. By the way, can you tell me what is peri? Perimeter. So can I ask what the question is asking?
Area.
Then you give what? Hello. The question asks for area. You are giving. So does it make sense? Then who teach you? Question asks for area, you give. What's your mom's name?
Huh?
What's your mom's name?
Name.
Yeah. What's your mom's name?
And
And what's your name?
Xiaomi.
Wait. Why not you answer? My name is N. Why not you answer? My name is N. Why? I'm asking your name. You're supposed to give your name, right?
Yeah.
Then the question asks you for area. Then you are supposed to give. You are supposed to give what?
The area.
Then what you are giving now? Then what you are giving now?
Perimeter.
So does it make sense? So who taught you this? Okay. And then can I ask you what is the area formula for circle?
Area formula.
For circle?
Area formula for circle.
Stop referring first. Try to memorize first. Try to recall from your memory first. Can you recall?
Thinking.
Try to recall first before you look at the. It's alright if you cannot recall. So you just have to memorize next time. So what's the formula for area? Circle.
Full circle.
Yeah, just let me know. What's the full circle area? You just have to read it from your book. Why you are why you are still struggling? Just read from your book. Huh? Pi R. Did I teach you to read like pi R2? Did I say CM3? What did I say just now? CM what? You can't even pronounce it correctly. Pi R2. Who teach you to pronounce it pi R2? How you should pronounce that? Pi R what? Correct. You are supposed to pronounce it correctly. Alright? So what is supposed to be the last step to find total area? Last step for total area.
Total area is plus.
Okay. Then how come you tell me pi r square? Are you even listening? You see, I'm asking I am asking the question, but you're not answering my question. That's always the case. What's your name? Anne. What's your mom's name? Charmaine. No, that's you. That's you. That's how you answer question. That's why I say, are you possessed? Like you are not Charmaine, and you just anyhow answer. Okay, move down. Question 10. Parameter. Now we should be looking at parameter. Okay, for question 10, you are correct. For 11, I think something is not right. You know why 11 is not right? How come you never draw the other one? You know, I see the first triangle, you never, you know, the parameter for the first triangle is missing. You understand my point?
Yeah, I can see that.
That means you find the second triangle, yeah, but you never include the first triangle for the parameter. So that is also wrong. Alright, any more question? Okay. So the next PDF, which the two questions you asked me from your own work.
Let me get out this first.
Your mom is cooking or what? He's always like try to knock your wok or what? It's alright. I suggest you to cover your ears using your earpiece because your mom's cooking is too loud already. Okay? Just tell your mom, you say you need to get rid of the noise by wearing the headgear. Okay? Let your mom know. Say, Mom, I want to wear the headgear so that I don't listen to your noise. Okay? And then if your mom wants to listen to our conversation, he can watch the video on YouTube. Alright?
Okay.
Okay, so present your next PDF.
Yeah, okay.
So go to the next PDF. The one you asked me the question from your school. Okay, for this question, stop here first. So, okay, can you click on the height there? Can you click on the height? The stop sharing, next, click on the height. So that I can, no, click on height, not stop sharing. Click height. Oh, yeah, okay, good. So you see this question, it says you have this piece of paper, and then now you fold it, and then you are asked to find what? You are asked to find?
Find what?
Y, right? Okay, so you need to find Y, right? Okay, good. So now, to do this question is very easy. You just have to fold a paper. Okay? You just have to fold the paper. How do you fold the paper?
Fold it like what they did in the diagram.
Exactly. Okay? So how did I okay, never mind. Let me think. How should I okay. Let me okay, never mind. Next question first. I will demo this question to you later. Go to the next question first. Okay, this question it says what? Okay, this is called, what chart is this? Huh? This is a bar graph, or you can call it a bar chart. Okay, can you tell me figure 1? How do you read figure 1?
Apple.
How come apple is 26?
Oh wait, 24.
Why 24?
Because 2 4.
Very good. So can you write down 24 for apple? Uh, have you written down 24 there?
Yeah, but then it's down.
But anyway, can I ask you, how come your 24 is inside the bar? I thought you are supposed to write the 24 outside the bar so that the 24 is very clear cut. Now you write inside the bar, that means you are trying to hide the 24, or you are trying to you want who to see. So sometimes when you write the numbers, can you write it clearly? If you send me this kind of work, I'm not going to accept it. Who can see your 24? Who? You answer me. Who can see your 24? I can't. Okay, I personally can't. Okay, apple is 24. What about banana? 30. Okay, then what about chocolate? Okay, good. So it says figure 1 shows the number of muffin that was sold. So figure 1 is number of muffins sold. Okay. So next, figure 2. So figure 2 is what? Unsold. Okay, unsold. Okay, so you sold 38 chocolate, and then unsold is how many? 10, right? So you sold you sold 28, unsold is 10. So how many in total?
38 and 40.
Yeah. Then total is how many? Uh-huh.
8.
So what was the number of chocolate muffin Jill baked? So isn't it 28 plus 10?
Yeah, I took 28 first. Okay.
Then it should be correct what?
Then when I choose the answer, it says
Then that means your answer is, I mean that means your teacher is wrong. Oh. Yeah, that means your teacher is wrong. Okay? So it's 28 plus 10. So it's 38. Alright? Can? Okay. But hold on. You know your figure 2, right? I see you wrote, is it a 16 inside chocolate? Did you wrote 16 inside there? 不是咩? It looks like a 16 to me. But anyway, where you are supposed to write the number down? Okay, good. Okay, so now, okay, can I ask you what you learned in your school for the past week?
Average.
Average? Still average? Nothing else?
And first the whole class. The same. The average was badly done.
Wait. How badly? Okay, I don't care about your class. What about you? Did you do very well in average questions?
Average.
Your okay means what? Can you show me your work? Besides my assignment? So what was your score? How many questions are there and how many you got wrong? How many questions in total?
I don't remember.
Roughly.
I think
30 questions. So you only got one wrong.
one or two.
Wow, that means, yeah, that means quite good. Okay, that means for average. And by the way, you are supposed to get full marks. Okay, frankly speaking. Okay, for average question, you are supposed to get full mark. Okay, you don't think you are very good if you only get 2 wrong. Okay, you are supposed to get full mark for average question. Okay, what else? What else you learn? Huh? Okay. For area triangle, what did you do wrong just now? Hello, what did you do wrong just now? No, you don't have to refer. You don't have to refer. Recall from your memory. What did you do wrong just now?
Finding the area.
Wait. The area one, you are all right? You only got the area correct. The rest are all wrong. I asked you to recall from your memory. Okay? So what did you do wrong? Okay. The working is wrong. Very good. And then what else? There is this one very important. You got all wrong.
And
So what unit is for height? What unit is for area? Very good. Alright, so now let's go for a 5-minute break. When we come back, I'm going to give you questions on triangles. Let's practice that more so that you will be very familiar with that and composite figures as well later. Alright, so we take a 5-minute break, come back in 5 minutes. Shall we? Okay, good. So I mute. Just Okay, welcome back. I'm back already.
I'm back.
Okay, let me share. Can you see my screen?
No, not yet.
Can you see? Am I sharing?
I don't.
Okay, now, yep, it should be showing up. Can you see?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's basically.
Okay. So, you're supposed to see three triangles. Label triangle 1, triangle 2, and triangle 3. Okay.
Oh.
Your job is to find out. Okay, for triangle 1, you are supposed to find out the. Can you see the letter?
Yeah, it's.
Okay. Then for triangle 2, you are supposed to find out the. Then the lastly but not least, you are supposed to find out the.
Material.
Very good. So can you do these three questions on a piece of paper? Okay. Even though before you do, the arrangement here is like here, but I want you to do it like, okay, this is your question 1, this is your question 2, and this is your question 3. Can you do it vertically?
Yeah.
Okay. So do for your question 1 first. Okay. Do for your question 1 first. Right. Go ahead. Once you are done with question 1, send your answer over. Okay. Let me make it smaller. Yeah, hold on. Let me make it smaller. I hope you can see the question. Alright, you can see the question, right? Um, no need, no need. For this time round, I don't need you to draw the height or the base. So I just want you to do the calculation. Okay. I hope you remember what to do, because we just talked about it. Alright, we just talked about it. And then the unit, okay? Show me step by step. Okay? So you question 1 first. Question 1 first. Once you are done, just WhatsApp over. Show all the steps, right? Wait. WhatsApp the question over first before I want to look at your answer before you proceed. Don't do question 2 first. I want to go through question 1. Make sure you are correct. WhatsApp over your solution for question 1. How come I'm presenting? I'm not supposed to present. I'm waiting for your WhatsApp.
I'm going to.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Listen. Okay.
Mm. Yep, checking. So 12 is equal to this. Okay, hold on. And then uh, all right. So B is 12, and then why the unit is cm? Tell me.
Not finding area.
Yep, very good. Okay, let me present question. So your question one, very well. Okay. For the last step, okay, your work. Last step is 12 1, right? Look at your work first. Hello. You look at your work. The last step is 12 1, right? So in front of your 12 divided by 1, right, you are supposed to write down B is equal to. Okay, can you see my screen? So I'm saying, okay, this is your last, right? Okay, so you are supposed to write down B is equal. So when you write down your B is equal to, right, you are very people. Over here I'm writing down this is actually my B is equal to 12. Get my point? Okay, so if you don't write down, because over here your solution you send me, you did not write down B equal to, because if you write down B equals to, nobody knows what is your 12. Alright, so can you write this B is equal to? Okay, for this question is B equal to, okay, because we are finding B. Alright, good. Okay, so continue to do for your question 2, and then WhatsApp the solution over before you proceed to question 3. Okay, continue. Very good. Can you see the question 2 here? Can you see? Jermaine, can you see? Okay, good. Yep. Question 2. Do it on a piece of paper. Quick. Can you see or not?
I'm doing question 2.
Okay, please go ahead. So you look a bit like unclear.
The question 2 is blue.
Yeah? Yes. Let me make it bigger.
Okay.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Once you are done, just WhatsApp over before you proceed to question 3.
Okay.
Mm. I want to make sure you are correct first.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, let me take a look. The base is 2, alright, and then the H is also. Hey, by the way, wait. You look at your second step. You look at your second step. Okay. How come? I thought the first step is 14. You look at your work. You look at your work. The first step is 14 is equal to half times base times height, right?
Oh yeah.
Then how come your second step is equals to 12?
Okay.
So what is supposed to be?
Wait, let me do.
Okay. Basically, you are copying from the first question. I already changed the question already. Come on. Focus, okay? Focus. We are doing question 2.
Okay.
Send over.
Yeah.
Hey, your mom like to knock the wok a lot, huh?
Mm.
She's cooking. Waiting for your answer.
Yeah, send it already.
Haven't received eh? The second. No leh. You sure or not?
But I sent it already.
Your redo one eh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Receive. Okay, I'm checking on it. Yep, the answer is 40. Very good. Now move on. Last question. 3. Focus, huh? Pay attention, huh? Question 3 already, huh? Wait. Okay. Shermaine, something is not right. For a second. Okay, wait. For your solution, second solution. Okay? You look at your last step. Hello, come back to the WhatsApp. You look at your work. Hello, Shermaine. Can you see your work?
I'm looking at my work.
Yep. Can you see your third step? What is your third step? Can you read your third step to me? Hello. Can you read your third step to me? No, you don't need to. You don't need to look at the screen. All you need to look at is you need to look at your solution for question 2. The third step. Can you read to me?
1
Mm-hmm.
times H
Uh-huh.
times 8.
1 times H. No, you look at your third step. Okay, no need to look at the screen at all. So what is the third step? Repeat again.
8
Mm-hmm.
4.
Very good. So what do you write at the last step? B is equal to 14 divided by 1. Are you finding B here? Then if you are not finding B, then how come you write B at the end? Then how come you write B? My goodness. You're finding H. You're not finding B. So you're not supposed to write B here. You're supposed to write what?
H.
Yes, correct it right now. Correct it on your work. Last step.
Yeah, I corrected.
Okay, you see, you make mistake here and there. Huh? Okay, last question. Question 3. Go ahead. Do it on a piece of paper. Do it right the first time. Okay? Don't make mistake here and there. Question 3. Go ahead.
Okay,